Hello. Welcome to Engineering Wisdom, proving easiest way of preparation. This channel is all about the test preparation. We provide you easiest way of preparation. You will get old tests and solutions, general knowledge, mathematics, current affairs, Islamic and much more. Subscribe this channel for more updates. What will be the resistance if 10 resistors of 10 ohm each are connected in series? A. 100. B. 1. C. 0.1. D. 10. Correct option is A. If 10 resistors of 10 ohm each are connected in series gives equivalent R of 100 ohms. Resistivity of a wire depends on A. Length. B. Material. C. Cross-section area. D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Resistivity of a wire depends on material. Which of the following is not the same as watt? A. Joule/SEC. B. Amperes/volt. C. Amperes x volts. D. Amperes 2x ohm. Correct option is B. Watt and amperes/volt are not same. Ohm's law is not applicable to A. DC circuits. B. High currents. C. Small resistors. D. Semiconductors. Correct option is D. Ohm's law is not applicable to semiconductors. A wire of resistance R has its length and cross-section both doubled. Its resistance will become A. 4R. B. 2R. C. R. D. R/4. Correct option is C. A wire of resistance R has its length and cross-section both doubled. Its resistance will remain the same. The rating of fuse wire is expressed in terms of A. Ohms. B. Mhos. C. Amperes. D. Watts. Correct option is C. The rating of fuse wire is expressed in terms of amperes. For maximum transfer of power, internal resistance of the source should be A. Equal to load resistance. B. Less than that of the load. C. More than that of the load. D. 0. Correct option is A. For maximum transfer of power, internal resistance of the source should be equal to load resistance. Thevenin's theorem can be applied to network containing A. Passive elements only. B. Active elements only. C. Linear elements only. D. All of these. Correct option is D. Thevenin's theorem can be applied to network containing active, passive, and linear elements. Which of the following theorems helps in simplifying computations when the load across a circuit is varying? A. Superposition. B. Norton's. C. Thevenin's. D. Maximum power transfer. Correct option is D. Maximum power transfer theorems helps in simplifying computations when the load across a circuit is varying. When maximum power transfer takes place, the efficiency of power transfer of the circuit is A. 100%. B. 75%. C. 50%. D. 25%. Correct option is C. When maximum power transfer takes place, the efficiency of power transfer of the circuit is 50%. The superposition theorem requires as many circuits to be solved as there are A. Nodes. B. Sources. C. Nodes and sources. D. Nodes, sources, and mesh. Correct option is B. The superposition theorem requires as many circuits to be solved as there are sources. An ideal voltage source should have A. Zero source resistance. B. Infinite source resistance. C. Terminal voltage is proportional to current. D. Open circuit voltage nearly equal to voltage of the load current. Correct option is A. An ideal voltage source should have zero source resistance. If E1 equals a cent and E2 equals a sin, omega t, theta, then A. E1 and E2 are in phase. B. E2 lags E1 by theta. C. E1 lags E2 by theta. D. E2 lags E1 by 90 degree. Correct option is B. If E1 equals a cent and E2 equals a sin, omega t, theta, then E2 lags E1 by theta. A passive element in a circuit is one which A. Receives energy. B. Supplies energy. C. Both supplies and receives energy. D. None. Correct option is A. A passive element in a circuit is one which receives energy. Unit of electric potential. A. Ampere. B. Volts. C. Coulomb. D. Volt ampere. Correct option is B. Unit of electric potential is volts. If a flux of 5 amperes links with a coil of N turns, the induced voltage in the coil is given by A. Nd phi/dt. B. Nd phi/dt. Correct option is B. If a flux of 5 amperes links with a coil of N turns, the induced voltage in the coil is given by Nd phi/dt. Whenever there is a relative motion of a coil and a magnetic field, a voltage is induced in the coil. Such a voltage is called A. Statically induced voltage. B. Dynamically induced voltage. C. Self-induced voltage. D. Mutually induced voltage. Correct option is B. Whenever there is a relative motion of a coil and a magnetic field, a voltage is induced in the coil. Such a voltage is called dynamically induced voltage. The polarity of the induced voltage is determined by A. Ampere's law. B. Lenz's law. C. Kirchhoff's law. D. Right-hand rule. Correct option is B. The polarity of the induced voltage is determined by Lenz's law. The ratio of voltage and electric current in a closed circuit. A remains constant. B varies. C increases. D falls. Correct option is C. The ratio of voltage and electric current in a closed circuit increases. The energy stored in an inductor of inductance Lhenry is represented by A. I square L. B. IL square. C. L square by I. D. 1/2 Li square. Correct option is D. The energy stored in an inductor of inductance Lhenry is represented by 1/2 Li square. The voltage induced in an inductor of Lhenry is represented by A. Li. B. L/I. C. L/dt. D. None of these. Correct option is C. The voltage induced in an inductor of Lhenry is represented by L/d by dt. Which of these is not an expression for the energy stored in a capacitor? A. B. C. D. Correct option is A. Energy stored in a capacitor is 1/2 CV square. Which of the elements in the following is not bilateral? A. Resistor. B. Inductor. C. Capacitor. D. Transistor. Correct option is D. Transistor is not bilateral. A node in a network is defined as A. Closed path. B. Junction point of two or more branches. C. group of interconnected elements. D. All of these. Correct option is A. Node in a network is defined as a junction point of two or branches. Which of the following is not a unit of conductance? A. Mho. B. Siemens. C. Volt/ampere. D. Ampere/volt. Correct option is C. Volt/ampere is not a unit of conductance. 3 capacitors, each of C microfarad, are first connected in series and then in parallel. Equivalent capacitance. A. Is greater in the series combination. B. Is greater in the parallel combination. C. Is the same in the two combination. Correct option is B. The equivalent capacitance is greater in the parallel combination. 2 resistances R1 and R2 give combined resistance of 4.5 ohms when in series and 1 ohm when in parallel. The resistances are A. 3 ohms and 6 ohms. B. 3 ohms and 9 ohms. C. 1.5 ohms and 3 ohms. D. 1.5 ohms and 0.5 ohms. Correct option is C. The resistances are 1.5 ohms and 3 ohms. A material having a charge of 12 coulombs over 6 seconds. What is current flowing through the material? A. 3 amps. B. 2 amps. C. 4 amps. D. 10 amps. Correct option is B. A material having a charge of 12 coulombs over 6 seconds. Current flowing through the material is 2 ampères. The potential difference between two terminals of resistor is 10 V. Current flowing is 5A. What is the value of resistance? A. 2. B. 1.5. C. 1.5. D. None of these. Correct option is A. The potential difference between two terminals of resistor is 10 V. Current flowing is 5A. The value of resistance is 2. 4 resistors each of 20 are connected in parallel. The total resistance is A. 80. B. 5. C. 5. D. None of these. Correct option is C. 4 resistors each of 20 are connected in parallel. The total resistance is 5. 1 farad is equal to A. 1. B. 1 V/C. C. 1 C/V. D. None of these. Correct option is C. 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb per volt. Q equals CV and C equals Q/V. 2 resistors each of 4 and 1 2 are connected in parallel and the parallel combination is connected in series with a 2 resistor. Equivalent resistance is A. 50. B. 5. C. 20. D. 2. Correct option is E. Equivalent resistance is 5 ohms. The unit of resistance is A. Ohms. B. Volts. C. Amperes. D. Tesla. Correct option is A. The unit of resistance is ohms. Circuit is defined as A. Interconnection of circuit elements with closed path. B. Interconnection of circuit elements without any closed path. Correct option is A. Circuit is defined as interconnection of circuit elements with closed path. The curve representing Ohm's law is A. Sine function. B. Linear. C. A parabola. D. A hyperbola. Correct option is B. The curve representing Ohm's law is linear. In parallel connection of elements parameter is same. A. Current. B. Voltage. C. Power. D. None of these. Correct option is A. In parallel connection of elements parameter is same current. A loop in a circuit is defined as a closed path, b. junction point of two or more branches, c. interconnected elements, d. all of these. Correct option is A. A loop in a circuit is defined as a closed path. KCL is applicable at A junction, b. resistor, c. loop, d. all of these. Correct option is A. KCL is applicable at A junction. KVL is applicable at A junction, b. resistor, c. closed loop, d. all of these. Correct option is C. KVL is applicable at closed loop. Superposition theorem is applicable for A. Linear bilateral network, b. nonlinear bilateral network, c. linear unilateral network, d. all the above. Correct option is A. Superposition theorem is applicable for a linear bilateral network. Faraday's first law. The induced EMF is A. dynamically induced EMF, b. statically induced EMF, c. eddy EMF, d. none of these. Correct option is A. Faraday's first law. The induced EMF, dynamically induced EMF. Faraday's second law. The induced EMF is A. dynamically induced EMF, b. statically induced EMF, c. eddy EMF, d. none of these. Correct option is B. Faraday's second law. The induced EMF is statically induced EMF. The direction of dynamically induced EMF can be determined with the help of A. Lenz's law, b. Fleming's left-hand rule, c. Fleming's right-hand rule, d. none of these. Correct option is B. The direction of dynamically induced EMF can be determined with the help of Fleming's left-hand rule. The self-inductance is written as follows. A. L equals N by I. B. L equals by I. C. L equals V by d by dt. D. All. Correct option is D. The self-inductance is written as all of the above given equations. Thevenin's voltage is A. Open circuit voltage, B. Short circuit voltage, C. Closed circuit voltage, D. none of these. Correct option is A. Thevenin's voltage is open circuit voltage. Ohm's law is applicable at conditions A. Constant temperature, B. Constant pressure, C. Constant volume, D. none of these. Correct option is A. Ohm's law is applicable at conditions constant temperature. The unit of inductance is A. ohms, B. volts, C. amperes, D. Henry. Correct option is D. The unit of inductance is Henry. The unit of capacitance is A. ohms, B. farads, C. amperes, D. Tesla. Correct option is B. The unit of capacitance is farads. An inductor stores energy. A. Electrical energy, B. Magnetic energy, C. Mechanical energy, D. All. Correct option is B. An inductor stores energy, magnetic energy. Magnetic flux has He unit of A. Newton, B. Ampere turn, C. Weber. D. Tesla. Correct option is C. Magnetic flux has He unit of Weber. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Please comment and share your views. Also comment your topic you want lecture on that.